Blade and just kind of flatten things out a little bit. Down and he's doing the whole horseshoe, so
Morning sky looks so phony. Dawn is breaking everywhere. Not a candle, curse the glare. Draw the curtains, I don't care, 'cause it's alright. I will get by. I will get by.
all right, we decided to take this little low route right here, and extremely muddy and difficult. I mean, you can see he's, wow, brutal. All right, repositioned our tree saver. Try to come up on top of this hill, but you can see there's very little traction, so much mud.
It's a lesson to me. The deltas and the east and the freeze. The ABCs we all think of and try to win a little
Wow, what a great climb. Nice, good job. Careful.
I woke up at 5 and I lifted my head off the pillow. I'm like, oh, that hurts. What a day.
So we headed out to this intersection right here, and we found Dwayne's stereo, which fell out of the Jeep last night. So last night we lost his stereo and we lost my iPhone, and happily we're 2 for 2. So we just came right back to where we were, and we found it early in the morning.
We will survive.